In today's session, we're going to talk about how to prepare and investigate a discrimination complaint before you involve your attorney. First, understand all of the legal considerations. If you're not an attorney, seek legal advice. If confidentiality is a consideration, seek legal advice for the privilege. Here are the steps in preparing for an investigation. 1, what is the purpose of the investigation? Next, choose the appropriate investigator. Next, who are your potential witnesses and what documents are relevant to the case? Before you even start to investigate the case, develop an investigation strategy. Outline the questions. Make sure you have a separate and secure storage for your files and records. Do a periodic assessment of the investigation plan and findings. So, the plan of the investigation. What is the basis of the discrimination? Is notice or knowledge important? Oftentimes, it's the bridge between discrimination and the action. Understand your theory of the case, yours, theirs, or the third parties. Make sure your facts are specific. Your witnesses and your documents need to speak in a relevant way to the theory of your case. And of course, know the due date. You don't want to lose simply because you missed out on filing timely. The role of objectivity is absolutely essential. How does your opinion of the case affect the investigation, and when should another investigator be assigned? The phases of the investigation are fourfold. First, gather facts to establish a chronology. Second, develop a theory of the case early. 3, fill the factual gaps in your theory. And 4, where the discrimination requires it, do a statistical analysis. When you're interviewing your witnesses, just go to the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. Also, examine the presence of words or deeds or their absence. Put the witness statement in context and be sure that you report in the witness statement what was heard or seen by others and what was not heard or not seen. What are some special considerations in an investigation? First off, if there is violent activity, are law enforcement or mental health authorities needed? How do you assess dangers to the public or what the public should know? Is there a reason to consider immediate suspension in the event of violent activity or the possibility of it? These are some of the things, just scratching the surface, on what you might want to do in preparing your investigation before you call your attorney in. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next episode.